Hi, it's Doug again and welcome to another home tour. Today we're at 2804 1283 Howe Street in downtown Vancouver. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, 915 square feet, listed for $1,299,000. The listing agent is Shih, a McDonald Realty Westmar. Her information is found in the description below. So let's take a look and explore the unit. Well, let's check out the kitchen. You got European style cabinets here with a built-in fridge and freezer down below. You have Miele appliances. This is a Miele hood fan, Miele cooktop, and then a Miele oven, built-in oven right down below. On this side, on our large kitchen island, we have a deep mounted sink, and the microwave is right down here as well. Perfect for looking out at your friends while you're having dinner. And while you're working at the kitchen island preparing a meal, you have a great view east overlooking the city and False Creek. All right, out of the kitchen over here, we have our office. And coming up here, there is the family bathroom. In the family bathroom, you have a undermount sink with Corian countertops, your deep soaker tub, and your shower surround. You have these beautiful floors, little marble tile. And right here is your in-suite laundry, your washer and dryer. There are 3 bedrooms in this unit, and let's check out the primary bedroom first. Primary bedroom is pretty spacious. You have your closet, and then there's a solarium connected to the bedroom that has a beautiful view over False Creek and out east. It has its own primary bathroom with a deep soaker tub, shower surround, and a floating cabinet with undermount sink. Well, that was 1 bedroom. Now there's 2 other bedrooms, and there's one right over here. This bedroom is located directly off the dining room with double glass doors and has a view of the mountains in downtown Vancouver, and has a solarium connected to it. All right, well, this is one of the solariums that's off the 2 bedrooms. You have views to the North Shore Mountains. You can see cypress and grouse. I can see down Howe Street, and I can see the sails at Canada Place. I have views of Metrotown and Burnaby and views of False Creek. It's a great location to sit and have a nice cup of coffee in the morning and enjoy the sunrise. Well, that is the 2nd bedroom, and here's the awesome part. You can close off these screens and have your privacy, which is awesome. There's another bedroom right here with the screens as well, and a closet, and it has this fantastic view outside to False Creek and downtown Vancouver. What a beautiful condo. The views are outstanding. You have views all the way from North Shore Mountains to False Creek. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths again. It's perfect for a roommate situation because the bedroom's on one side, bedroom's on the other side. Open floor plan. You have a lot of people over and you can enjoy that beautiful view. And why don't we head downstairs right now and take a look at the amenities in the building. The Tate building has great amenities, and this party room is no exception. Large lounge, you have a dining space, and a full functioning kitchen. It's an awesome place to have a party instead of your own home. There's a porte cochere through the alley, so your friends can drive up through the back laneway and don't have to worry about street parking. Well, that's the end of our tour today here at 2804 1283 Howe Street in Vancouver, BC. If you like this condo, you can always contact the listing agent, Shih of McDonald Realty Westmar. Her information is located in the description below. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I will see you on the next tour.